Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add Google account on Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to go to Gmail. And after that, go click on the icon or your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on add another account. And as you can see, it will gives you a lot of options here. Choose the first one, Google. And it will start checking info. I will use my fingerprint. And here you have two options. The first option to add your email and your password. And the second option is to create a new account. And like that, you can add Google account to your Redmi A5. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.